Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly, and let me show you how to make this beautiful Prince party decoration. So the first thing I did was just grab one of this paper sheet and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a crown. Pretty simple to do. Then after that I took a straw and I'm just going to go around it and make circle on each row that I did. This is pretty simple. You can also use a ruler here. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and take it and trace it into the gold paper or whatever color you're doing. I'm just tracing it to gold because that's the one I'm using it. Then go ahead and start cutting it out just like that. Go ahead and grab your hot glue guns and then just place it on the edge of the crown and then just place it together and attach it in place just like that. Then once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and grab another piece of paper and you're just going to go ahead and make a circle inside. Then go ahead and cut it out and then go ahead and grab your hot glue and put it all the way around and attach the bottom part just like that. Then after you're done with that, I just went ahead and took this little rhinestone. I'm just going to go ahead and place it all around my little crown just like that. And then go ahead and attach a ribbon. So put some hot glue and then attach a ribbon all the way around just like that, and it came out super cute, you guys. So then after you do that, just go ahead and take some clear paper and put some candy inside, whatever candy you would like, and then just go ahead and place it inside. And this is how cute it turns out. You could do any color you would like. You could use this for a crown theme, a princess theme, and so many other things, but this is an idea of something simple and cute you guys can do, and it came out super cute and it's simple to do. Then I went ahead and grabbed one of these bags, and in the back I'm gonna go ahead and draw a crown as well. I'm gonna do the same thing I did before. Just go ahead and make the little line and make a circle. You could find any little circle shape in your house and just make it as that. Then just continue doing that until you're done doing the whole bag. Once you're done doing the whole bag, then you're just gonna go ahead and cut it out, guys. Pretty simple to do. And then go ahead and take your rhymes as well, and we're gonna put it at the end of the bag just like that in the little circle. Then I go ahead and I went and take some of these ribbons and I'm just gonna go ahead and tie a little bow just like that. Pretty simple and cute to do. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and you're going to attach your bow to your paper bag like that. And you can also draw a little crown as well and cut it out and then just place it in the middle of your bag. Then go ahead and cut out the size of each bag just like that. And this is how cute, you guys. It turned out super cute and easy, and there's something fast and simple you guys can do. And with that said, let's just get into the next DIY. So for the next DIY, I just grab a piece of paper and I'm just gonna go ahead and measure 4 inches long like that. Then I'm gonna make a line, but before that, just go ahead and measure 2 inches so you can know where to stop. So then you're just gonna go ahead and bring the line down, then you're gonna bring the line up, and you're gonna continue doing that until you do the whole thing. And here I suggest for you guys to use a ruler so it could be straight and you can have everything leveled up. I just did it an eye just like that, but for you, I prefer for you guys to use the ruler so it can be better. Then go ahead and find anything that is small circle in your house and then just go ahead and trace it out. And then went ahead and cut your crown out just like that. So you're just gonna go ahead and cut the whole thing out until you're done. Then go ahead and grab the gold piece of paper and we're going to trace it out as well. Like I said, you could do any color that you're doing, but in here we're using the gold one. So just go ahead and continue tracing it out until you're done tracing the whole things out. Once you're done tracing the whole thing out, then just gonna go ahead and take your scissor and start cutting it out just like that. Then I went ahead and take one of those little foam and I'm just gonna go ahead and place my crown to the edges like that. I'm gonna attach it to the side. As you can see, one crown, one paper doesn't fill the whole thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take another crown and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it and then just attach it with a hot glue just like that as well, and then just attach it again. Then I went ahead and took my rhinestone as well and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the middle all around it. Go ahead and grab your ribbons and attach it to the edge of the crown just like that. So then there you have your base. Then I went ahead and took one of these little balloon stick and I'm just going to attach it to the middle of the crown. I put the balloon on top and then I put a few rhinestone as well, and the balloon stick like that. Then I print down this prints, but I'm gonna put the link down below so where you guys can get it if you can print it out, because it's not that simple to print it out. So then I went ahead and turned it like that, put some cookie inside, and it came out super cute, you guys. I loved it how it turns out. Then I went ahead and grabbed a sheet of paper, and I'm going to cut 1 inch of each, and I'm gonna cut 4 pieces of them. Then I'm gonna take one of the circle again and trace it out, and this is what I'm gonna place on top. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out just like that. Then after I'm done, I'm gonna take my hot glue and attach it to the top like that. Then once I'm done attaching it to the top, I'm gonna take my paper, I'm gonna fold it a little bit in half so I can know where the middle is at. So I'm gonna continue doing that to folding it, and then when I see the middle, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hot glue and then attach it. So I'm gonna make first an X. In here, make sure to level it up. I suggest you, because I didn't do it as good because I didn't make sure that it was all the same level. But so you, when you're doing it, make sure to do it good. So then go ahead and place it in the middle and attach all of them together just like that. Then once you're done, just go ahead and place your cover on top, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it like that, one by one, until you're done attaching the whole thing just like that. Make sure to hold it in place a little bit so it can stay in place. It takes a little while to attach, so make sure to hold it. Then once you're done attaching the whole thing, I went ahead and took another one, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it around it and attach it with my hot glue as well. Then I went ahead and grabbed some hot glue, and I'm gonna put the ribbons all around it just like that, you guys. And it came out super cute. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on this centerpiece. If you would like to know how to do this one, check out my other video where I show you how. Then I went ahead and did a few crowns like this, and I'm gonna attach it to my wall with tape like that. Then once I put the tape at the end, for me to be able to hold it in place, I put some hot glue on top of the tape, and I'm going to attach the other crown, and I'm going to continue doing this until I attach all 4 sizes like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed these trimmers, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some tape and attach it to each bottom of the crown. So I'm going to fill up the whole thing until you're done the whole thing. Once you're done, just go ahead and take some rhinestone, and I'm going to do and put it in the middle of the crown like that in the circle, and then just go ahead and do that. Then I took this little to make a star up for the balloons, and this is pretty cool to use. And then you're just going to go ahead to slide down your balloon inside. You're going to slide 1 in the middle and then 2 on the side, and this is how it turns out into a flower. Pretty simple. Then I went ahead and grabbed the one, put it on top, and this is how beautiful it turns out, you guys. This is something simple that you can do at home, and it's very inexpensive. And this one can be done for any party theme, like a princess, a crown birthday party, and more. I think this came out beautiful, and I hope you guys like it. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you think this can help anybody else, make sure to share with them so they can also do it as well. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.